Thanks for joining us. This is the first video in our Dynamics 365 Field Service series. In this series, we will introduce field service topics. I'm Ken Farmer. Let's get started. Dynamics 365 Field Service is designed for companies that send people into the field to deliver on-site service to their customer locations. The application combines workflow automation, scheduling algorithms, and mobility to set up their mobile workers for success when they're on site with customers fixing issues. Dynamics 365 Field Service is highly configurable, allowing you to build your processes and people into the application. Whether you schedule techs that are employees or contractors, or if you need to schedule critical pieces of equipment, Field Services can handle it. Dynamics 365 Field Service is feature-packed with everything a company needs to properly service their customers. Work orders allow for the right information to be shared with your field techs, and the data flows through to proper invoicing. Incident types and work order types help standardize your services and reduce service folks' data entry time. Once the work order is ready, it's time to schedule. The schedule board is the heart of your technician routing process and allows your team to schedule the right resources at the right time. You are able to better schedule using configured resource skill categories and ratings. Whether you use drag and drop or allow the scheduling engine AI to book resources, you always have full control. Field Service works with the rest of the Dynamics 365 application suite to provide insight into all aspects of your customer. Interactions, service cases, work orders, quotes, and orders allow your team access to the data they need when they need it to take care of your customers. Thanks for joining us today. In our next video, we will focus in more detail on the work order process. Hope to see you. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel